Setting up the scope probe. On the body of the probe is a slide switch to select 1 times attenuation or 10 times attenuation. We will use the probe in the 10 times attenuation setting. We make sure that the input channel of our oscilloscope is also set for the 10 times position. What are the advantages of using the probe in the 10 times position? A scope has a given input impedance. In the user's manual, you can read the input impedance and the capacitive load on the oscilloscope. By setting the scope probe to a time 10's attenuation, we increase the input loading of the probe and the scope as a system together from 1 megohm to 10 megohms. This reduces the loading effect of the probe and the scope on your test circuit. At the same time, we are able to extend the frequency response of the oscilloscope to its maximum of 60 megahertz. In the 1 times attenuation position, the scope's frequency response is only 6 megahertz. By setting the probe to times 10 attenuation, we extend the frequency response from 6 megahertz to 60 megahertz. In conclusion, setting the probe to times 10 attenuation has 2 advantages. One, we increase the input impedance from 1 megohm to 10 megohms, and we increase the frequency response of the probe and scope combination from 6 megahertz to 60 megahertz.